Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a Nathan M5. This horn is scallop base. They also had a round base. The round base was the earliest, then after that came your scallop. As far as dating the horn, it's a little bit hard with M5s, but it could date anywhere from like maybe late 50s all the way up to the 80s. It does have, I think, button cap backcaps is what these are called, so that indicates it could be a little earlier, but I'm really not sure. As far as the history on it, it was, I think, in railroad, like black railroad paint, and then it had been spray painted over. So I went ahead and just media blasted it just to clean it up because it needed new gaskets and it was just kind of nasty. So it got new gaskets and new hardware and cleaned it up, got the diaphragms out. Here's a picture of what it looks like all torn apart and broken down. As you can see, M5 has a lot of different parts and pieces, more than like your K horns or your P horns. These horns are a little bit more temperamental than a K horn and a P horn. They use a lot of air also. They are not manufactured anymore. I think they stopped making them in the 80s, late 80s maybe. But anyway, I guess you've seen one of these before. It does have a smaller brother, I guess, the M3. They're a little bit more prominent than the M5s. M5s are getting a little harder to find, and they are getting more expensive too. So anyway, with the bells on this, you don't have like any A's or anything like that. You've just got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I guess that's about it, guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is the Nathan Airchime M5.